Hello everyone, I'm ZHUO YUANJUN. Let me briefly introduce my final year project. The title of our project is Tutor Sharing Platform. With the rise of the concept of the sharing economy and group buying, there are many great companies springing up. The idea of group learning platform is inspired by these two concepts. It is an online system, including the Android app and website. Our platform focuses on university students who have free time to take some jobs. Via this platform, the tutor can earn the money through teaching, and the student can get suitable education with the suitable price. Here is the logos of our app, and our purpose is to be a pioneer of group learning. Then I want to introduce the background of our project. As I said before, our idea is inspired by sharing economy and group buying. Sharing economy is a new economic model where the user can share the idling resource with the other user for the purpose of obtaining some money and the other things. Its main idea is what mine is yours. People can share any available things with others. In this model, it can expand people's consumption demand and improve the circle efficiency of social wealth. Until now, there have been a lot of successful companies in this field, and the most famous cases are Airbnb, Uber, and Didi. As for group buying, it is a business model based on the internet. As seen in these pictures, the customer can buy something in a lower price or get some discount by grouping the other customer who also want to buy the same things on the group buying website. As for the group buying website, they can get some commission from the selling side, which is a win-win model. The most famous commercial case are Groupon and Meituan. Our app is constructed on the base of the Android system. Why we will choose Android? Nowadays, there are more and more people having one or more smartphones compared to the desktop computer of notebook. More and more people prefer to use the smartphone to contact the outside world anytime and anywhere. And among the many smartphones, Android system can be said to be the most widely used now. From 2009 to 2016, Android mobile phone market share has reached 86.2%. Until March 2017, Android has gone beyond Windows as the world's most commonly used operating system in the Internet devices. This part, it is about the methods of our application. There are two main methods I want to introduce. The first one, it is our match algorithm. This algorithm is for matching a tutor for our parent. The main factors are subject, district, grade, language request, and gender request. Firstly, our platform will search the database to find the tutor who are completely match all these factors. Secondly, if the result of the searching in the first step is empty, we will decrease the factor which are less important to find whose in condition are closer to the requirement of the parent. The second method, it is the database management. The main elements of our platform are tutor, parents, and class. And the administrator can manage the information of every tutor, every student, including the login information and personal information and so on. They can also manage every class, including the information of the list of the student. This is the UI of the backups database. From the left column, you can see the tutor management, student management, class management, and the other element management. This part is the procedures of our application. In the home page, there are login and register choice. The user can register as a parent of tutor. After filling some basic information and the parent can match the tutor according to his requirement. And if the tutor registers success, they can create their create a new class after filling some class information like subject, expected income, and so on. After login, the parent can modify the personal information, post the new text of check the match status, and the tutor can modify the personal information, create a new class, manage the class student, and so on. This part, it is the UI of our application. This one is the home page. After entering the email and password, the user can log in as a student of Tutor, and user also can choose register. This one is the UI of the class information. When the tutor wants to create a new class, he needs to fill in some information, including the district, language, time, expected income, maximum and minimum number of the student, the grade, the subject, and the other personal statement. This is the UI of the order information. When the parent wants to match the tutor, he needs to fill in some basic information, including the district, grade, subject, gender request, and language request. This is the UI of the class of the list of the class. For every tutor, they can check the list of the class they created. This one it is the UI of the list of the application. For the tutor, they can approve or refuse the student who wants to apply this class. This one is the UI of the list of the tutor. For the parent, after they post the request, our platform will post all the qualified tutor, and the parent can choose one of these. And then I want to introduce the result of this project. After the design and complement of the app, we upload our app to the App Store. There are 843 users download our app until now, and we also receive some feedback. There are some representative feedbacks like the UI is a little bit simple, and some users say that our platform it is lacking of the responsibilities of being a supervisor, including managing the tutor information. And also there are some users say that the match is too difficult because of the small amount of the user. And this part, it is the feasibilities of our platform. Firstly, I want to show you two graphs. The first graph, it is the cram student proportion. The proportion of the students who have taken lesson after school in Hong Kong is increasing from 1996 to now. And in 2012, you can see that this number becomes 72.5%. And the second graph, it is about the tuition fee. There are 52% students in Hong Kong whose tuition fee are more than 1,000 Hong Kong dollar per month, and 6.7% students' tuition fee are more than 3,000 Hong Kong dollar per month. So we can see that the demands of our app is huge, is large. And then I want to introduce the characteristics of our app. Firstly, the first one is that we focus on the university student. Although they have few work experience and the other personal skill, they also have their own advantage, like they are charging their fee is low. The second characteristic is that our app fixes the sharing economic. The user share the knowledge and the time to the student for the purpose of obtaining the money. The third one is that we use the group learning. The price will decrease with the increase of the number of the students in the same class. And then I want to introduce the profits model. After the parent choose the tutor who is selected by our platform, the tutor can get the parent's contact if he paid to our platform. Our platform only make profits from the tutor, which is good and appealing for our parents. Actually, the processing fee we charge to the tutor is not higher compared to the tutor's tuition fee they can get from the parent. This profit model is a win-win-win model for the parents, the tutors, and our platform. Finally, I want to make a conclusion. In the last semester, we built out our platform website, and this semester we finished our platform application design, including the server established, database management, UI design, App Store upload. We also received many user download and feedbacks. In the future, we will upload our application according to the update our application according to the feedbacks and promote our platform to create to increase the visibility. That's all. Thank you.